This free tutorial will help you on how to create a catchy edit in Capcut PC.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Open up Capcut PC and on the top left hand screen, scroll to the right until you see templates. Underneath templates, click the drop down arrow and go to the For You page. Basically, just type in here on the search bar Trent space edit, and as you can see, we're going to locate a Trent edit that looks like this. In this case, I'm going to use my favorites. Click the plus icon like so. This is what we're going to be creating, or recreating I should say. So basically, just find one of your choice, just scroll down and you can find one that is similar to this Trent edit. On the timeline, click where it says 17 clips needs to be replaced, and replace these with a bunch of different photos of your choice to create this trendy or catchy edit in Capcut PC. And then once you're happy or satisfied, you have replaced all the images like so. This is what we have. And if you don't like the song choice, basically you can go to audio, you can locate a song, or if you want, you can locate a trendy edit. Just go to YouTube and type in trendy edits or TikTok edits, and you can drag it like so. And basically you can just export this by going to the top right hand screen and click export. Hopefully this helped in Capcut PC. As you can see, it's pretty catchy,